आज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट थ्योरम हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, थ्योरम 6.6, एंड दिस इज़ फ्रॉम चैप्टर ट्रायंगल थ्योरम. What is the result, what is the statement, what is the proof? We'll discuss everything. First we'll discuss about the statement. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles, let's say these two triangles ABC and PQ are similar, given to you. Then the ratio of their areas means triangle ABC or triangle PQR. If you take the ratio, then this is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. It means AB corresponding to PQ, AC is corresponding to PR, BC is corresponding to QR. So AB upon PQ whole square you can say, or you can say AC upon PR whole square, or you can say BC upon QR whole square. Now come to the proof. The proof of this theorem has been deleted in the session 2020-21. So we are not going to do the proof. Now we are going to use it in solving problems. See the first problem. Let triangle ABC and triangle DEF and their areas be 64 centimeter square and 21 centimeter square. EF is 15.4. Find BC. You have to find BC. So we will use the result that we have just read out, and result is that triangles, if triangles are similar, the ratio of the areas of these triangles will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So we can start from here, like we can write directly here area ABC upon area DEF. So this is EF. EF is, this is second and third, this is EF. So EF is corresponding to BC and this is the whole square. Now you see what informations are given to you. Area of ABC is 64 given, this is 121 given, and this is BC, you don't know the value. EF is 15.4 and this is the whole square. Now after this you do taking square root both side, taking square root both side. So you will be getting that 64 square root is 8 and 121 is 11, and here it will be BC square root and 2 will get cancelled. This is 15.4. So BC will be 8 into 15.4 divided by this is divided by 11. So 11, so you can simplify this directly. 11 1 ja 11, 4, and this is 4 ja, so 8 4 ja 32, 2 carry 3 8, and this is 11.2 centimeter. So this way you can find your side BC. Now come to the next question, that question number 2. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at O if AB equal to twice of CD, and then you have to find area, ratio of area AOB and area COD. So first we make this trapezium. This is the trapezium. Let's say this is A, B, and this is C, this is D, and diagonals are meeting at point O. This is point O, and so we'll write this first. Given that AB is parallel to CD, first information, and AB is equal to CD. So according to this figure, the order we have to change. This we take this AB, this, let's say this is CD, and this as D, because AB is bigger. So AB is twice of CD. This we can write. Now to find, we'll write to find area AOB upon area COD. So you can see this area AOB and area COD. So this ratio you can find once you show that these triangles are similar. So I'm just marking this as angle 1, this as angle 2, this angle as 3, this angle as 4. So in triangle COD and triangle, this is AOB. So if we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4, and all these pairs are alternate angles. So you can say that triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB by double A criteria. And once you show that you have shown that these two triangles are similar, you know that you can write area. After this you can write area AOB upon area COD. Area of AOB you can take area AB, and this you can take CD, and this is the whole square. Now AB you can replace from the given that AB is twice CD. So you can write 2 CD, and this is CD, and this is whole square. CD will get cancelled, so this is going to be 4:1, or you can say 4:1. Now question number 3. This triangle ABC or this triangle DBC, there are two triangles on the same base. BC is the same base and intersect BC at O. You can see here O, this is the intersection point of BC and AD. You have to show that area ABC and area DBC ratio is A upon DO. So this question we have to first write what is given. The given is only two triangles is given. Triangle you can say ABC and triangle DBC with same base. So this is the information given to you. To show, you have to write to show that area ABC upon area DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So in this question we have to do a small construction. So construction is draw we are drawing perpendicular AM, and this is all BC, and perpendicular, this is DN is also on BC. And now we have to show the result. So we write the solution. The solution will be if I take the area ABC, then it is 1/2. You can write this area ABC upon area DBC. This is 1/2. Base is BC, and this is perpendicular is AM, and here it is 1/2. Base is same, and this is DN. So 1/2 cancel, BC cancel. So this is now equal to AM upon DN. We mark this as 1. If it means after seeing this equation 1, we can just think of, like, we have to prove that AO upon DO equal to AM upon DN, and once we prove AM upon DN equal to AO upon DO, our result will come. So start करते हैं. हम लेते हैं इन ट्राइंगल. आप पहले ट्राइंगल ले लीजिए AOM, एंड ट्राइंगल ले लेते हैं हम DON. So these two triangles we have taken. So we can mark this as angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4. So we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2, each 90 degree, and angle 3 equal to angle 4. You can write vertically opposite angles. Next you can show that AOM is similar to triangle DON by double A, and from here you can get the result that AO upon DO is equal to AM upon DN. Mark this equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 you can write area triangle ABC upon area triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO, and this you can write as proved. So this is how you have done question number 3. So let's start the question number 4. In this we take triangle, we write as given that triangle ABC, let's say there are two triangle, and triangle DEF are similar. Also similar triangles, also their areas are equal. Also area ABC is equal to area DBC. This is given to you. To show, आपको जो करना है वो ये करना है कि ट्राइंगल ABC congruent triangle DEF, this is DE and this is F, DEF, this we have to show. So we write the solution and we can start from here. Since ABC, triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF given है, so you can write कि area of ABC upon area of DEF will be equal to the sides of the corresponding sides से square हो जाएगा. So AB upon DE you may write, and you can write AC upon DF you can write, and BC upon EF whole square. Now if you see, if your areas are equal, means this you can cancel. You can write this is given areas are equal. So area ABC equal to area DEF. So you can cancel this. So from here you can get it that AB upon DE whole square is equal to 1. So it can implies that you do the square root both side, then AB upon DE equal to 1. AB upon DE is equal to 1. From here you can write that AB equal to DE. Similarly, we can write that these also AC will be equal to DF and BC is equal to EF. So we can mark this as 1 and we can mark this as 2. So we can write from 1 and 2 triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by triple S. So this we have shown. Now see this question number 5. D, E, F are midpoints of AB, BC and AC. So we write this given that AD is equal to DB, AF equal to FC and BE equal to EC. This is given to you to find. We have to find the ratio of area DEF upon area ABC. This we have to find. So we write the solution. The solution is we know that AD upon DB is equals to 1 by 1. Also AF upon FC is also they are equal, so this is 1:1. It implies that AD upon DB is equal to AF upon FC. So by converse of BPT, we can say that DF is parallel to BC. So this is how we can show using BPT. You can write similarly EF will be parallel to AB and this DE is parallel to AC. Now DF, we can say DF parallel to BE also, because DF parallel to BC, or you can say small part of BC, BE is also parallel, and similarly DB, you can show DB is parallel to EF. So this implies that BEFD is a parallelogram. Once we shown that this is a parallelogram, now this is very easy that I can mark this angle as, let's say, this 1 and this angle as 2. So angle 1 equal to angle 2. These are opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we can mark this as equation number 1. Similarly you can also show DFCE is a parallelogram, and if I mark this as angle 3, then this will be equal to this angle 4. So this angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Mark this as 2. Now we come to triangle ABC and DEF. So in triangle DEF and triangle ABC, सी DEF का आप एक एंगल ले लीजिए 3, ये दिस इज DEF का एक एंगल 3 है, एंड 4 एंगल जो है दिस इज ऑल्सो द एंगल ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. सो दिस इज देयर, एंड एंगल 1 ले लीजिए DEF का ये एंगल, और जो 2 है दिस इज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ ABC. सो यू कैन से दिस these two triangle DEF is similar triangle ABC by this rule. And also we have done one result that DF is parallel to and opposite sides are also equal, so we can use that concept also. So we can write area DEF upon area ABC. DF की साइड हम एक ले लेते हैं DF, एंड इसकी एक साइड हम ले लेते हैं BC. So we can take this is the whole square. Now you can write this DF, ठीक है, this is DF, and BC you can write as twice of BE. You can write this because E is the midpoint. Now after this you see that DF is here, I am writing that DFEB is a parallelogram proved above. So from here you can get that result that DF is equal to BE. So wherever is BE written we can write DF. So this is twice BE की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं DF, and this is whole square. You can cancel this, so this is going to be 1/4. So your answer is 1 ratio. Now see this question number 7. You have to prove the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. So we mark this A, B, C and D. So this is the square. So we write this given that ABCD is a square, and we can take AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD as x. So if this is x, this is also x, and using Pythagoras theorem we can calculate AC also. AC is, you can do x square plus x square, so you can write this root 2x. So this is root 2x. You may write here centimeter, or here also you write centimeter. So this is given to you. Now according to this question we have to we write this to find. We have to find the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. So let's say this, on this side we draw an equilateral triangle. This is, let's say this is M, this is one triangle. So area of DMC is, and another equilateral triangle we are describing on the diagonal. Let's say this is the equilateral triangle describing on the diagonal, this is N. So area of this is, let's say, ANC. So we have to show that this is half, one side of a square is equal to half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So you can write this as 1/2. You either show this, or you may write like this also, area DMC is equal to half area ANC. So both ways are accepted. Let's start now. We write the solution. See, this side is x, we have taken, this side is x, we have taken, and we know that this, how we can show that these two triangles are equal, because each angle is 60 degree. Here this angle, this was 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. This angle, if you take this as this is equilateral, so this is also 60, this is also 60, all angles are 60. So we can write this triangle DMC, similar triangle ANC by triple U में से, or you can write each angle is 60 degree in an equilateral triangle. So we can directly write this statement. Okay, now if these triangles are equal, we know the ratio will be area, this is DMC upon area, this is ANC, will be we take one side DC of this triangle, we take another side which is AC of this triangle. So a DC is the side of this DMC and AC is the side of ANC. So all sides are equal, so we can take any two sides. Now here DC, you see in the figure we have taken this as x and AC is root 2 x, so you may do the square. So if you, this x's get cancel and this is now 1 by 2. Square root 2 is, whole square is 2, so answer will be 2. So this you have proved, or you may write here also area DMC is equal to half area triangle ANC. So you have proved your result. Thank you.